Good afternoon, March the 11th, 2015. Time for our wrap-up on our E-mini trades. We came in this morning as sellers. Yesterday the market was sold pretty hard. We had hoped to sell the 55 to 60 area. We said it might take a 50 to get in, and the sells were below. The high for the day session was 49.50. So the professional trader wasn't willing to go for stops above 20.50. And it's a very round number. So the trading was really pretty tough today. The easy trades came off of 4. In between those 4 trades, I mean, it was choppy as could be. Okay, there was a couple of trades. You could have taken this buy before the market opened. You could have taken this sell before the day session opened. But in the day session, our first B, software generated trade, we didn't take out that bar's high within this by the second bar, so it's no trade. Here we have our famous retest failure trade. Retest is high, can't take it higher, so this generates a trade right down to this. And if you traded it perfectly, you got 3, but more than likely you pulled 1 point out of it. This is a retest failure trade right here. You were long in this area right here. The market traded up to the mean green line. If you got out at the mean green line, you made a point. If you hung in that trade too long and didn't reverse because of a mean green trade, you scratched. The mean green trade had you short a tick inside that mean green line. That gave you 3 points to as many as 7 if you traded it perfectly. Software generated trade right here coming up, and it gave you 1 to 2 points. There's a software generated trade right here that gave you a losing trade. Another software generated trade here that gave you a small winner, 1 to 2 points. Here's a software generated trade right here that gives you a loser. Our retest failure trade off of this high right here, a small winner. Next trade is a retest failure trade up here that gives you a pretty nice winner, 3 to as many as 6 points. This trade would have been valid. You were already in the trade. That trade would have made you some money. This is a retest failure trade off the low right here, literally to the tick. And that gave you 3 to as many as 5 points. And then here's a sell in between. That's a loser. And the sets us up for the last trade of the day, a retest failure off that high. So we had 12 trades, 3 losers, 18 winners, so that gave you a net of 12 points. We've had bigger days, but 12 points on the E-mini by the end of the day is really a pretty good trading day. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get an overview of the software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com. or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.